Okay, I'd like to teach you my original effect I call the odd queens, or the odd ladies, and it's my version of oil in the water. So this is a really strong effect. You start off, you have 3 queens, have them on the bottom of the deck. What I do is I down jog the 4th card here, not too much, and that's just about a little less than an inch there. Then what I'm going to do is kind of dribble to cover that. The cards are going to be on the box, and this is going to be pointed away from the audience. This is so that when you pick it up you can instantly get a break on the bottom 3 cards. So what I do is I have that just like that. Okay, it's actually kind of angle jogged, right? It's on the box. The box will cover that because you kind of just sloppily have the cards on there. Okay, so that will be off to your left. Now you start off, you take out the 2, 4, 6 of red, 2, 4, 6, okay, and a 3, 5, 7. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do this simplex oil in water to begin with. As you display them like this, your thumb goes on the 3, your right finger's on the 6, and then as you separate the hands, okay, you showed them here, as you separate the hands you're going to separate them as you come across, okay. So what you've done is you've taken the 6 of hearts to the right and the 3 of clubs to the left, okay. But they don't know that what's going on because you're just going to say, look, we're going to take the cards, square them up. There you go, we're going to mix them even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. Okay, then you take 3 and you push them over. You square these up, cross your hands and snap, okay, magical gesture. There you go. You take these and you go 2, 4, 6. There's the even cards. So they unmix. Then you pick these up and you set them down. 3, 5, 7. There's the odd cards. You go, isn't that odd? Okay, so you have the cute little pattern with it, and what you do is you repeat that, okay? You do that a couple times. So you do that like twice, okay? Same method on that one, okay? So we're going to mix them up. Take 3 here and 3 here, and then you cross and you snap, okay? So that's the first one. You go, look, there's the even cards, the reds, and there's the odd, 3, 5, 7. Now the next step that I do is I turn these over and I get a break on 2 on the reds, okay? Get a break on 2. Then I'm going to do like a brow addition type thing, where what I do is as I square these up, I add those on the bottom, and then I go into a brow addition as I say, look, here's the odd cards. Look, there's 3, there's 5, and there's 7. Now what I do, okay, is I'm going to act like I'm taking them here, and then I'm actually going to do a bottom deal. So this is very clever because it's a covered bottom deal. See, so you're taking that off, but it's very clever because you're doing a cover bottom deal like that, so it's invisible. You set those down, you snap your fingers, you go, look, here's the odd cards. Now you pick up the deck, and as you tell them to flip over the ones because their hand's on top, you get a break here, so you have a break on the 3 queens, and you're going to do the jinx switch. As you square up these cards and you say turn those over, you point, they see this, then you do the jinx switch. The jinx switch is you're going to take all the cards off, set them back on the box, and they don't know what's going on, they think the trick is done, and then you go, look, 2, 4, 6, there's even. Now you go, we're going to mix them one more time. And I do it very cleanly here. Okay, so I go, look, I'll put this one on the bottom, I go, we'll put even, there's odd, even, odd, even, odd. Now I go like this, I square them up, and I go, as I square them up I get a double lift break, I snap my fingers, I go, look, odd's supposed to be on top, even's on top. Then I set that down, okay, so I'm setting down a queen. I tell them to put their hand on that. So I tell them to put their hand on the even card. Okay, they put their hand on top. Now you do a glide, okay, you do a glide, push this back, take this one, okay, as you show the 2. Then you take the top and bottom cards and you do like an Escanio one-handed spread, and you take this one and you say, look, here's the last one, the 4, okay, so there's another double lift. So you go, you have the even, I have the odd. I snap my fingers, the odd become even, look, 2, 4, 6. Now what's really odd, you say I'm going to show you what's really odd, is that those are the odd queens, the odd ladies, and you turn that over. So I hope you like that. That's a really cool oil and water with multi-phase. It's very strong, so enjoy that. Thank you.